In this video, I'm going to talk about Graphesent 1.0.0. Graphesent helps in creating diagrams and also creating animations from diagrams. Let's start by opening the file. Here's a diagram shown in Graphesent. Now let's create a flat animation. What you see is the full screen presentation window of Graphesent. Now I press Enter key to pause, and again Enter key to resume. Now I press the Escape key to close the presentation window. Let's look at the panels at the bottom. The General panel, the Elements panel, the Pages panel, the Navigation panel. The Navigation panel helps in creating custom animations. The Data panel. Later, we'll see a pie chart that uses the data that is defined here. The Colors panel. Let's change some colors. For gradient styles, now let's create a 3D animation. What you see is the full screen presentation window of Graphesent. Each navigation defines a building block for a custom animation. Now let's see the custom animation. What you see is the full screen presentation window of Graphesent. Each Graphesent document can have multiple pages. That's why sometimes I refer to a Graphesent document as a Graphesent book. As you can see, we can change the order of the pages. Now let's see an animation of a pie chart. What you see is the full screen presentation window of Graphesent. Now let's move some elements. Or change the class of some elements. Change the text of an element. The formatting. Let's remove the arrow at the end of the connection. Or move the label to the other side. Change the label. Now let's add some elements using the Add tool. These 4 buttons define the default size of the new elements. To connect 2 elements using the default tool, select the first element, hold the Shift key down, and click on the second element. To select multiple elements, use the Control key. Now you can connect multiple elements to a single element, creating a multi-branch connection. Let's talk about the hierarchical add and connect tool. The hierarchical add and connect tool helps in creating tree structures with multi-branch connections. To add an element, hold the Shift key down and click on an empty space. If an element was already selected, the new element is connected to the selected element. If the selected element has outgoing neighbors, the new element is connected as a sibling of the outgoing neighbors. Now let's talk about the free add and connect tool. The free add and connect tool is the same as hierarchical add and connect tool, except that it uses single branch connections. To zoom in or zoom out, you can scroll the mouse wheel. You can also reset the zoom to 100%. Or pan to the top left of the diagram. Copy, paste, delete. You can also delete the selected branch or selected elements with delete key. About window, credits window, let's create a pie chart. This is the pie chart element class. Let's add a new data source for the pie chart. Change the name. Add a row. Add another row. And now, let's apply the data source to the pie chart.